Honeywell Connected Life Safety Services is a platform of connected services designed to deliver efficiencies at every stage in a fire system's life cycle. Placing connectivity at the heart of fire safety, CLSS provides real-time visibility for timely, accurate decisions. This enhanced visibility fuels intelligence, harnessing the power of data for safer, compliant and more efficient fire system management. CLSS connects and identifies every panel and device, adding new functionality to increase user confidence. And by automatically identifying maintenance and upgrade needs before there's an issue, CLSS reduces complexity, costs and uncertainty throughout a fire system's life cycle. With easy-to-use mobile and desktop apps, a range of actions can be performed without returning to the panel, streamlining commissioning, inspection and maintenance. Generating a real-time, holistic view, CLSS provides indisputable evidence that systems are working and compliant, and enables rapid and accurate fault diagnosis, avoiding unnecessary site visits. By connecting panels and devices with new cloud services, CLSS minimizes unforeseen maintenance and other disruptions. The in-depth, real-time data and advanced reporting it provides means installers have the intelligence they need to deliver a more proactive service. And the entire system is protected with Honeywell's cybersecurity functionality. To find out more, visit fire.honeywell.com. Stay connected, stay protected with CLSS from Honeywell.